Hey everyone, it's Sylvie here from Ludus Pax Studios, and this is a short video just to kind of update you all on what I've been working on and what sort of the September update should include. So I've been working really hard on improving overall the story ability, telling ability, by adding additional story elements which the players can interact with and pick them up. These act like scrolls where you can read them and it tells you more in depth of what's happening around you, and it's a really nice addition and improves, in my opinion, the ability to the game tell its story, as well as adding more reasons for exploration. Now, of course, these are easily missed if you're not exploring, so that's the reason why the game heavily focuses on supporting and pushing the player to explore the map as much as possible, by giving you rewards such as equipment and making your life easier if you do so. For example, my game becomes quite difficult if you just keep going and attacking enemies instead of actually picking up more equipment and things like of that nature, which obviously that's how the game rewards exploration. So I've tested the game multiple times now just to ensure that with the addition of new weapons and a couple of armor sets as well, well, 3 armor sets actually, the game is still stable, you're not overpowered, and also enemies don't feel like a walkover. This will be a continuous test, so I'll keep on working on that. I've improved the behavior of archers types, which now kind of try to run away. It's not always a perfect thing, but they try to run away when you are close to them. It can sometimes act a little bit like they run into one position if there's nowhere else for them to run. It's not perfect, but it does add a little bit more to how the behavior of enemies should be, which is different from each other rather than all being the same. I also finished up the chapter 2, which includes the final boss for that chapter with a dialogue which explains what's been happening to you, and I will continue to add more story elements to improve on the story. Again, it's not gonna be, it's just me, I'm a solo developer, so it's not gonna be like, I'm not gonna have the ability to make huge cinematics and things like that, but through the mediums that I do have, I'll try my best to tell the story that I want to tell. So with the finishing of chapter 2, I've also reworked the tiers and how they are shown on the ground, and I've also helped improve basically the recognition of new items being dropped. So like when you see a new item, if it's green, it's obviously better than probably what you have, or blue or so on. It's a higher tier, so that gives you an idea of if it's worth picking up, returning there, or if it's just you're gonna leave it because it's just a gray silver one. So again, that just kind of gives you an idea of what it is, and also you'll be able to see from far away if it's a health potion or something that you actually do require or need. So yeah, that's kind of brings everything that I've done. I've also obviously improved in the first part of the month overall the whole UI. I've added a rework to the story with the introduction of the church scene, which now obviously the whole story has changed just as intended originally, and I will attempt to add more elements of basically house exploration, so more scenes where you can explore inside homes. That's my intention to do in places where there are homes that you can explore. And yeah, that's kind of all the updates so far for this week. I'm gonna release the updates soon, probably at some point this week, and then I'm gonna continue to test it and things like that. That's kind of everything with Rise of the Village Hero. For Path to Serenity, which is my second upcoming game, it's going to be a couple of busy months. I'm going to keep on working on improving the story, improving the interactivity of different elements, and keep on trying to get to that point where I can have the Steam page up. So yeah, that'll be a good few weeks where I'll be just keep working on both Rise of the Village Hero and Path to Serenity, and just kind of switch in between. But that's everything that I wanted to share with you all. Thank you so much for watching my channel, for supporting my channel, for subscribing. If you're new, please drop the like button. If you want to support my channel, make sure to check out my demo to my game Rise of the Hero. And if you can and like the game, please do wishlist it or purchase Rise of the Village Hero. It helps tremendously to support the studio with a purchase. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.